Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by defining clear goals for your Google Ads income efforts. Decide a 0-0 daily budget and a 3-5% conversion goal for your first month. Choose one primary product or service to promote and set a realistic 25% profit margin after ad spend and basic expenses. Set tracking properly using Google Analytics and conversion tags so each click maps to revenue. Remember tax basics and register earnings. Expect a Form 1099 if payments exceed 0-0 annually. Create tightly themed campaigns with targeted keywords and focused ad groups that match intent. Use targeted keywords and aim for an average CPC around /bin/sh, 50 per click depending on your niche. Build a dedicated landing page with a single call to action and fast load times to maximize conversions. Set conversion tracking and calculate your break-even cost per acquisition before launch so bids make economic sense. Use ad extensions and responsive ads to increase real estate and click-through rates. Optimize continuously by monitoring daily performance and adjusting bids to improve efficiency. Monitor daily performance and aim for a 4-1 ROAS before scaling budget to reduce financial risk. Run a/B tests on headlines, CTA, and landing pages every 2 weeks to discover higher converting combinations. Cut underperforming keywords and reallocate spend to winners while watching conversion rate changes. Increase budget gradually and reinvest profits to reach 5,000 monthly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.